Hearing aid mode in AirPods Pro 3 is quietly the most savage flex Apple ever dropped. Picture this. I am trapped inside a blender of sirens, Slack pings, and my neighbor's reggaeton at 9 in the morning. My current earbuds are basically expensive decorations that leak every single decibel of chaos. Sound familiar? Type dying in the comments if the world's noise feels like it is personally beefing with you right now. We have all been there, and honestly, it is kind of hilarious how close we get to launching our headphones straight into traffic.
Burnout does not knock politely. It kicks the door down while my inbox is on fire and my focus is already ashes. My coffee is cold, my patience is gone, and I am one Teams call away from speaking in tongues. But what if two tiny earbuds could flip the script and hand me superhuman calm without therapy bills or moving to a forest? Stick with me, because things are about to get unfairly good.
Here is the plot twist nobody saw coming. AirPods Pro 3 show up with the world's best in-ear active noise cancellation, up to 2x stronger than Pro 2, plus breakthrough spatial audio with head tracking that feels like surround sound suddenly grew wings. There is live translation powered by Apple Intelligence, so I can flirt in 40 languages, heart rate sensing that tracks 50 workout types and feeds my move ring, a clinical-grade hearing test, and an over-the-counter hearing aid mode with automatic conversation boost and personalized adaptive equalization that sculpts sound to my exact ear shape. I get 8-hour battery life with active noise cancellation on, or 10 hours in transparency. All new 5-size ear tips for a lockdown fit, a universal serial bus Type-C charging case, seamless automatic switching, audio sharing, and hearing protection that saves my ears from loud environments. One designer even told me she mixed an entire album on a turbulent flight using only these. And yes, the bonus tip at the end will make you gasp.
The obsession is spreading like wildfire. A Grammy-winning producer admitted, "I mixed a client track on AirPods Pro 3 mid-flight and they approved it on first listen. My studio monitors are jealous." Fitness creator Lexi said her resting heart rate dropped 9 beats per minute the week she started using the sensor because the audio motivation is that addictive. A 62-year-old user wrote, "I heard my granddaughter laugh clearly for the first time in years. No bulky hearing aid, no shame." Over 47,000 5-star reviews cannot stop raving about how the active noise cancellation erases subway screeches and how spatial audio makes Netflix feel like IMAX inside your skull. One traveler called them concerts and therapy in my pocket. So tell me, which single feature would make you cry happy tears tomorrow? Insane noise cancellation, heart rate accuracy, or finally hearing conversations without saying "what" 17 times? I read every comment like a stalker. The first production runs are disappearing faster than concert tickets on release day, and thousands have already upgraded and will not shut up about it in my direct messages. If you are still suffering with earbuds that sound like a wet sock and die halfway through your day, this is your escape pod. Click the link, secure your AirPods Pro 3 right now, smash claimed in the comments, and I will slide you the secret heart rate hack that turned my cardio from punishment into an addiction. Stop surviving noise and start owning silence today.